Hello, today we will guide you through how to combine two pages into a single page in PDF document using Adobe Acrobat DC. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat DC. Once it's up, open the PDF you want to work with. In this example, we'll click the sample project file so it appears in the main viewer. With the document open, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen and locate the main application menu. This is where Acrobat's file commands live. Open that menu and choose Print to bring up the Print dialog. Don't worry, we're not sending anything to paper yet. We're going to use the print settings to create a new PDF that places two original pages on a single page. In the Print dialog, first click the Printer dropdown. Select Microsoft Print to PDF. This choice tells Windows to print to a digital PDF instead of a physical printer, which is perfect for combining pages while keeping your original document unchanged. Next, find the option labeled Pages per Sheet. Set this to 2. This instructs Acrobat to place two of your document's pages onto one output page. As you make this change, look at the preview on the right side of the dialog. It should update to show two miniature pages arranged on a single sheet. If your content looks too small, consider using a larger paper size or checking the preview to ensure nothing important is clipped by margins. Now click the Page Order dropdown. Here you can control how the two pages are arranged. Choose vertical if you want one page above the other, which works well for portrait documents and keeps reading order top to bottom. Choose horizontal if you prefer the pages side by side, which can be ideal for landscape layouts or comparison views. As you toggle these options, use the preview to confirm the layout matches your intent. When the printer is set to Microsoft Print to PDF, pages per sheet is set to 2, and the page order looks right in the preview, you're ready to finalize. Click Print. Acrobat will generate the new combined page output. This approach keeps your source file intact while creating a fresh PDF where every sheet contains two of the original pages, neatly arranged according to the order you selected. That's all it takes. By using the Print dialog, Microsoft Print to PDF, and the Pages per Sheet and Page Order settings, you can quickly combine two pages into one page with control over layout and clarity, all within Adobe Acrobat DC.